Hi, my name is Alma Visscher, and I am an artist, teacher, and cultural worker living in so-called Edmonton, Treaty 6 territory. I make installations, sculptures, and drawings that examine material culture, soft architecture, language of abstraction, as well as looking at different modalities of art for healing and acquiring knowledge. Currently, I am an artist in residence with my collaborator, Taryn Knitman, at the Yorath House in the Edmonton River Valley. As part of this residency, which is a city facility that used to be a private residence, we are researching material culture in domestic spaces, regulated and invasive species and plants, and more abstract notions of holding and waiting. In my piece, Wherever You Are, I am interested in how material and fabric can act as a boundary of meaning and can create new storylines. The idea of vital materialism puts forward that human and non-human forces work together and how presumed passive or neutral objects carry their own agency. My artwork looks at the ecological and political impact of how we define the border between us and materials. In this piece in particular, which is made up of a range of materials, fabric from a vintage store, stones from by my studio, string which I bought to tie up my potato plants, slumping bunting-like forms, somewhat celebratory, in hand-dyed fabric. I play with the history and notes of abstraction, but also the mundanity of everyday material. I think I like this about fabric, the daily dance that we have with it, its mundanity and its complexity. I'm also curious about how different modes and approaches of art can shift with material and its function.